How to log in on Reddit using Google account. Are you guys facing issues to log in into your account with your Google account? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Reddit on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download Reddit on a mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to download it. After you open that, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Tap on it. Now click on sign up. You'll be provided with multiple options. Tap on continue with Google. Click on continue. Over here, you need to write down your Google email and password. After you fill up all the details and verify your account, just simply tap on continue. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna log in on Reddit using our Google ID. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Reddit, make sure to comment down below. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.